Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify tech for you. Today we're diving into a quick and essential guide for Telegram users on PC. If your folders are cluttered with outdated contacts, we'll show you how to clean them up in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once launched, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see your existing folders listed. These are the categories you've created to organize chats, groups, or contacts. Find the specific folder you want to edit. Maybe it's labeled Work, Friends, or something else. Right-click directly on that folder's name. A small menu will pop up. From the options, select Edit Folder. This opens a settings window where you can customize what's included in that folder. You'll notice sections for chats, groups, and contacts. Focus on the Contacts area. Beside it, there's a tiny X icon. Click that X to remove all contacts linked to this folder. Don't worry. This won't delete the contacts themselves, just their presence in this specific folder. Once you've removed the contacts, double-check the other settings in this window. Maybe you want to tweak which chats or groups stay in the folder too. When you're satisfied, hit the Save button at the bottom. Telegram will instantly update the folder, and those contacts will no longer appear there. And that's it. Your folder is now streamlined. This process is especially handy after reorganizing priorities or clearing out old projects. Remember, you can always revisit the Edit Folder option to add contacts back later if needed. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps others discover our content. For more Telegram tips or tech tutorials, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.